This video is about the atom, what it's made of or its composition, and who helped define and discover it along the years. The first scientist in the process of discovering the atom was Democritus. Democritus lived during 400 BCE and he came up with the word atom. His model was basically just a sphere. He said that the atom was microscopic and he really had no evidence. He stated that it made up all things in life. The next scientist in the process was John Dalton, and he came up with the atomic theory. He said that all atoms cannot be created or destroyed. All matter is composed of atoms. All atoms of the same element are identical. Different elements have different types of atoms. Chemical reactions occur when atoms are rearranged, and compounds are formed from atoms of the constituent elements. He also said that atoms are indivisible and indestructible. Around 1897, Joseph John Thomson discovered the negatively charged electron. He used the cathode ray tube. He sent beams of cathode rays through the air. He compared the cathode ray mass to the mass of a hydrogen atom and discovered they were lighter based on electrons. He won the Nobel Prize for this. His model is called the plum pudding model because he said the filling of the atom is positive and the plums or the electrons are negative. The nucleus of an atom was discovered by Ernest Rutherford in the early 1900s. He sent alpha rays through a thin gold sheet of foil. Some particles passed all the way through the sheet while others ricocheted off. He thought that the sheet was mostly empty space and decided that the nucleus was most of the atom's mass. The nucleus is made up of protons and neutrons with surrounding electrons. Niels Bohr discovered that electrons traveled on specific orbits in the atom. He stated that all electrons orbited around the nucleus of the atom in a circular pattern. He said that all orbits were based on energy level of the electron. Electrons were also allowed to move from energy level to energy level. Erwin Schrödinger came up with today's accepted model of the atom in 1926. He called it the electron cloud because of the freely moving electrons. His model is the current model because it is used to predict where an electron may be. This is based on a mathematical equation.